Morning traders, welcome to AI Traders Live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. In today's AI Traders Live episode, we'll be focusing on Bitcoin and Ethereum, where you'll be looking at it from 4 artificial intelligence engines perspective. Here's a brief disclaimer, and I'm Richard Miller presenting today's AI Traders Live episode. We'll focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're using 4 artificial intelligence trading strategies. These AI engines sits on the MetaStock Platform. They're developed by Fulgent AI, and these 4 AI strategies cater for different type time frames and trading styles. Now, the tip of the iceberg explanation how the AI works just briefly is the AI does 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations of stock market indicators and market relationships using genetic algorithms. So what that means is the AI takes every possible technical indicator, tests it with every possible setting, and therefore eliminates the weak trade setups, and we're only focusing on the high probability trade setups, and there's only a few of them. This brings me back to the 4 artificial intelligence strategies, which we now know are high probability trade setups because they've been tested on every single possible stock market indicator combination and settings. So that's the power of using genetic algorithms. Jumping straight into the MetaStock platform, I've got the full AI engine loaded, runs in the background here. I've got my 2 cryptocurrency coins selected, and I've got the Fulgent engine. Now, just to recap here, the Fulgent AI engine has been trained since the inception of each cryptocurrency pair. And here the trading statistics. So the major market reversal strategy is on average 81% accurate with a 45% average profit per trade. The swing trade strategy is on average 73% accurate with an average profit per trade of 29%. Volatility breakout is average 60% accurate on average with an average profit per trade of 17.8%. And the quick move 3-day trading strategy or 3-bar trading strategy is on average 63% accurate with an average profit per trade of 2.4%. So you can see very high probability trade setups as generated by artificial intelligence. Now we'll start with Bitcoin. I'll maximize here. There we go. So we've got an active signal, a volatility signal on an end of day basis in Bitcoin. You can see there's a very wide stop loss here. It's 1 year between 37 and 36,000. So this volatility breakout signal is still active. Note the previous one, we had a nice October rally caught in that one. And then there was a sell signal given up there. That volatility breakout got stopped out, but the market immediately, the AI generated a new one based on volatility. So be aware of that. Bitcoin is quite a volatile instrument, but we do have an active signal on it. If we're going to look at the 4-hour chart now to see what the intraday scenario is, I'm just using end of day AI to force it to look for signals on the 4-hour chart. So you actually want to do, if you want to do this properly, you need to go and train the AI to look for 4-hour signals. But there we go. Still got a volatility breakout signal as well. Very wide stop loss on the 4-hour basis. So far still long on a daily 4-hour, and let's go and take a look at what the hourly signal is. Now once again, you need to retrain the AI to look for hourly, but we're relying on the concept of fractal mathematics to apply the daily trading strategy on the intraday 4-hour and hourly strategy. So you can see it does generate some profitable signals there, but obviously you'll get a better feel for the profitability of the signals if you go and retrain the AI on 4-hour and hourly chart. But that swing trade worked out well depending on how far profit targets were. Currently, from an AI perspective, it's hit the trailing stop there, so it will be interesting to see if it's going to generate a new one. But so far so good. Bitcoin still a buy on a volatility breakout basis using the artificial intelligence. Turning to Ethereum, the last volatility breakout signal is still active. Very wide stop loss. You can see here is about 3,500 is the stop loss. So the AI has learned its lesson from previous times that you need to have a very wide volatility adjusted stop loss. But you can see some of the other signals worked out quite well using the AI engine on Ethereum over the medium term. Now let's go and take a look at the 4-hour chart, see if there's any signals on the 4-hour using the daily signal AI engine. And takes a couple of seconds to load. So we've got a quick move signal here for the more swing traders among us, and then there's a very wide stop loss is 3650. So your upside resistance would be the 4000 zone. So there's a quick swing trade there. You see the last swing trade also worked out there. That quick move got stopped out. That signal there got stopped out there, but you can see volatility breakout worked out nicely. There was a sell, two sells there after a buy signal, and you can see here volatility breakout here also worked out well. So the 4-hour chart does generate some great signals using the AI on 4 hours. Here's the hourly chart. Ethereum on the hourly. Let's go and take a look, see if it refreshes. Give it a couple of seconds. So there we go. We've got a swing trade signal on the 4-hour with a very wide stop loss as well, and there 3,700 is the wide stop loss there from the current level. So the last swing trade worked out nicely as well, and then we have a new swing trade on Ethereum on a intraday 4-hour basis. Sorry, that's the hourly one. Let's take a look at 4-hour. Also there a quick move on the 4-hour. So two signals on intraday, and then still on the daily one you have to be patient with that one. Still very wide stop loss, volatility adjusted stop loss. So Ethereum and Bitcoin looking okay from an artificial intelligence trading perspective. And that brings us to the end of this edition of AI Traders Live. Thanks for watching, and if anybody else is interested in getting your hands on the own AI, hold on for the next section, and thanks for watching, and until next time, happy AI trading. Bye for now.
If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of 1 deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, the side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got 2 options for the buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on MetaStock Platform. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1.